In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can reset your Eufy Homebase free. So what you need to do is this. From the bottom of the product, you are going to find this small button I will show right here. So from the bottom of the product, you are going to have this small button, the small hole there. That's a reset hole. And what you need to do is you need to take a paper clip. You need to take some like a pin when you can have from the SIM card, right? You probably even get it with the product. And what you want to do is when you can turn on, you just want to press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until the red light is going to appear and start blinking. And then you just want to release it and you just want to let the whole procedure for the reset of the product. And then what will happen is that when you're going to press and hold it and it's going to reset and it's going to start like flashing, you're going to take it out and then it's going to change the light to the blue. And that's it. So this is how you're going to do it. And you just want to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You're going to release it. And then the whole reset procedure is going to start. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.